Creativity is the quality you bring to the activity you are doing, and that is rightly said. On Glitters of Life, I uncover not just what humans can do, but how. And today's point of discussion is on the same line, and we are going to talk about creativity. To talk about this very topic, I have with me Shreya Badonia Kandra, who is a writer, visual thinker, and loves to talk about creativity because she is a creative person. So, Shreya, welcome on the show.
Thank you so much for having me, Rohit. I'm very excited for this episode.
Likewise, Shreya, and this is a very important topic to talk about because when we talk about creativity, काफी एक अलग सा experience होता है because everyone feels that I am creative, but at times they are not able to express themselves. So वो समझना काफी important हो जाता है. So how do you define creativity? Because is it synonym to arts or like what's your definition of it? Because I have seen you growing on internet through your visual thinking, the art that you do. So वो काफ़ी मुझे अमेजिंग लगता है बट आई रियली वांट टू नो लाइक कि हाउ डू यू पोर्ट्रे दैट क्रिएटिविटी.
I I think when we think about creativity, we only think about paintings or art or a drawing, but creativity is using our imagination and create something that did not exist before. So now the creativity is the process that we use to create art and everything else in life. So I think it's our imagination, it's that childlike awe towards life that makes us all unique and creative in our own way. So I think that's what creativity is for me.
ग्रेट टू नो दैट. सो वुड लव टू गो बैक इनटू योर अर्ली डेज ऑफ लाइफ. सो कहाँ से शुरुआत हुई थी? लाइक वाज देयर एनी काइंड ऑफ अ पॉइंट ऑफ इंसेप्शन वेयर यू फेल्ट लाइक ओ आई एम क्रिएटिव, आई हैव टू एक्सप्रेस दिस इन अ वेरियस वेज ऑफ माई लाइफ? तो वो शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई थी? एनी पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट दैट यू वुड लव टू शेयर?
Yes, absolutely. So I'm a huge David Beckham fan, okay? So when I was in sixth grade or seventh grade, I would cut out his pictures from Dainik Bhaskar, which was like
या,
Bhopal ka famous
राइट.
newspaper. So I would cut out his pictures and I would stick them in my scrapbook. And I think that's when I started keeping a scrapbook, and that's how I got into journaling and all. And I enjoyed it so much, the whole process of, just ripping out a newspaper and creating something unique. And I still have those, and I can literally go back in time looking at those collages I made. And that was the first time I realized that I am different. I'm creative because at that time, most of the people, most of the kids our age, they were playing in the background and they were playing video games. So that gave me a spark. But later, I joined engineering and I studied computer science. Like first
शाबाश.
year is तो first year तो सब basic होता है. So I joined LN City, which is like a good private college in Bhopal, and then I studied for 9 months. And every day was a big challenge. Like every day, I felt like I was cheating on myself. Every day was like climbing Mount Everest. And then my mom saw me struggle. And at that time, my sister was preparing for her uh, competitive exams. So my mother also asked me, why not you give NIFT entrance? And I remember me and my sister going, giving the entrance, and she was very excited. But I just gave it because why not? And then I ended up going to NIF Bangalore, and my sister studied law. So it's just like whole serendipity, I would say.
डेफिनेटली ग्रेट टू नो अबाउट दैट. और जब कहते हैं ना कि स्क्रैप बुक की बात आ गई तो इट मेड मी नॉस्टैल्जिक क्योंकि वी यूज टू रिमेंबर लाइक वो सारी चीज़ें कितनी इंटरेस्टिंग थी. वी यूज टू नो लाइक कि व्हाट पीपल नो अबाउट अस, हाउ वी परसीव देम. सो स्क्रैप बुक वाज समथिंग दैट वी यूज टू काइंड ऑफ लाइक इट वाज काइंड ऑफ अ जर्नल फॉर अस इन अ वे. एंड जैसे कि आपने कहा कि अबाउट द इंजीनियरिंग डेज, द फर्स्ट ईयर इज कॉमन बट देन वहाँ पे ही सबके ज़्यादा बैक लग जाते हैं बिकॉज all the subjects are like common and then people are so boosted ki like ho jayega engineering. But yeah, it's all about finding our own ways and making sure that we are enjoying what we are doing. That is how it gets
Absolutely.
into that particular zone. But looking from your experience, I want to know that can limits boost our creativity? क्योंकि आपको पता था कि इंजीनियरिंग नहीं करना है, तो वो एक लिमिटेशन आ गया था कि यार आई एम परसुइंग इंजीनियरिंग फॉर सम फ्यू मंथ्स यू डिड. सो लाइक ड्यूरिंग दोस पर्टिकुलर लिमिट्स, हाउ डू यू एक्सेस टू द क्रिएटिविटी?
उस टाइम पे टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई वाज़न्ट क्रिएटिव, आई वाज़ डिप्रेस्ड बिकॉज़ आई वाज़ नॉट हैप्पी विथ माय लाइफ. But when I saw that there is something that I could change about it, I don't have to study just because I got admitted into the college.
Mm-hmm.
And then the journey to NIFT and then figuring out myself, that showed me that you can live life differently, and there was too many restrictions on me. First of all, I had never studied art in my whole life. In my whole family there is no one who is artistic.
Same.
So so matlab, when I went to NIFT, there were people who were studying and drawing since they were 2 years old and competing with them. And I was from a small town. I That was the first time I was going out of my house, and I had limited resources. My mom is a single mother, so it was like limited resources and no really skill set to excel in a new environment. So I had a very limitations or limited approach. But that made me more creative because, when I had limited money, I knew how to be creative, to use
Mm.
whatever I had and create something new. And I figured out how to style whatever 10 pieces of clothes I had and look different every day. So I think when you have boundaries, you start thinking more aggressively, you become more creative. So I think people who have certain challenges, those are the challenges that make you creative, and they work as catalysts. So for me, all my limitations, everything, I now, when I look back, I feel that they were actually blessings in disguise. So that's how I got into the whole idea of silver linings.
Yeah.
You may feel like everything is shit, but that is what's preparing you for what's next. So you
Yeah,
should
quite
really
interesting. Be grateful of whatever
be
we
grateful and
the yeah.
celebrate your limitations.
Right. And you did talk about moving out of your house and going to Bangalore for the very first time. So I feel that it happened with me as well. Like I come from a very small town and I went to Pune for my junior college days. तब क्या होता था कि हमारे यहाँ पे मतलब जूनियर कॉलेज वहाँ पे ही कर लो एंड देन फॉर द ग्रेजुएशन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन यू कैन वेंचर आउट. बट मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ था. आई वेंचर्ड आउट क्वाइट अर्ली. मेरे फ्रेंड्स काफ़ी यहाँ पे ही थे सारे. सो डिड इट शेप योर वे ऑफ लिविंग लाइफ एंड was there a kind of a reason where you felt like, ab main aazad hu, I'm free to do something that I love to do? So did it ever happen once you stepped out of your house?
Absolutely. Even though my mom was very cool and she gave me the permission to be myself and to be free, but घर से निकलने के बाद आपको ट्रू आज़ादी का मतलब पता चलता है. Because when you are alone in a city where nobody knows you other than people you just met few months ago, you feel invincible. You feel like you can do anything. But then
Right.
you remember what Spider-Man's uncle said, with great power comes great responsibility. So you learn to balance things out. You look at life differently because Bhopal mein cheeze were totally different, and Bangalore, it was like a
Way
dream.
different.
I felt like I was living in a movie. So it really changed the way I think about certain things, and meeting people from different walks of life, it just changes how you think and how you perceive life altogether. So that was the biggest, I would say, biggest thing that happened after moving to Bangalore.
Right. And when did this change come into your life? Kyunki, see, there is a step like we can't change our personality entirely. Like we are just figuring out and then we get comfortable living out there. And then we try to see, like, oh, I'm good at this. Now my lifestyle is changing. The way of living is changing. I'm able to speak better. I'm able to express myself better. So, with this kind of a creative setup that you were into, तो वो चेंज कब से आने लग गया? लाइक वर देयर फ्यू पीपल हु यू वर फॉलोइंग और उनसे इम्प्रेस होके फिर अपने आप में चेंजेस लाए? वाज देयर समथिंग लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ अ सेटअप विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द क्रिएटिविटी दैट शेप्ड यू?
Honestly, I've always been a person who lives in her head. So I had this voice telling me that, Shreya, whatever you are right now, that is not the real you. There is something more to it. You can become more. So that's when I dwelled into self help and I read tons of books. And it wasn't easy. You won't believe the first few years of college. I was so scared of myself. I was so underconfident. I would not even
Hmm.
speak to a lot of people. But then I realized that I don't have to hide myself like that. And what am I afraid of? I mean, I really had the courage to drop out of
Yeah,
engineering when dropping out was a big deal.
big
This
deal.
is back in 2010, 11,
Ah,
or 2012. Yeah, somewhere there. And I just started looking at myself from a different lens. I worked really hard in those years. I remember I used to be the only one from my friends who would sit in the library after classes. At that time, I started writing on Quora. I was not partying because, when you get freedom, suddenly you want to attend the attend every party. You want to drink and get wasted, but that wasn't me. I knew that my mom had worked hard for me, to send me to Bangalore. She trusted me, so I had this whole responsibility. I wanted to live up to that standard, so I had set some standard for myself, and I was just trying to reach that standard. So it required a lot of reading, lot of writing, lot of crying, lot of introspections. And then I started to see some light. I started to uh, see myself grow, and that little growth showed me that if I continue to work, I can become what I truly want to become.
definitely. And I can, or I could relate to your journey as well, because it was similar. And we talked about like freedom comes with the cost. हमें लगता है कि हम अब आज़ाद है, but it does come with a cost, because even if a bird is flying out of the cage, you just have to be worry about like there will be people or there will be someone who will be preparators होते हैं वहाँ पे भी. So we just have to take that particular care. And again, the self control thing comes into picture, so we have to be very careful about it. But then it doesn't have to seem like a botheration कि यार नहीं मैं अपने आप को express नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. That is something which changes accordingly. And you have been writing since very long period of time. I know that you have been writing on Quora as well, on Medium. So you might be good at imagining few things. You also live into your heads in early days. So do you feel that imagination is the power of creativity?
It is one of the power of creativity, because see, creativity, it's a very subjective term. Okay, you
Hmm.
cannot explain it, but when you start doing it every day, and there was a time when I was not only creative at my job. I worked as a marketing designer for 7 years, so I had to be creative at my job. I used to be creative after I came back from my office, and then I
Right.
would start writing and all. So I think it is imagination is definitely one of the elements, but it is not the entire everything of creativity, because there are so many things that you need to figure out when you are trying to create something which was never there before. So it's a long process, but yeah, imagination would be a good start.
राइट. एंड डू यू फील दैट किड्स आर मोर क्रिएटिव दैन अडल्ट्स, क्योंकि अब हमारी लाइफ काफ़ी मोनोटोनस हो गई है. हमें दिन शुरू होता है ये करना है, टू डू लिस्ट वी हैव टू टिक दैट, एंड जस्ट वी आर डन, विल बी रिलैक्सिंग, विल बी स्पेंडिंग टाइम एट होम. सो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट? बिकॉज द एज इज द फैक्टर, द सराउंडिंग इज द फैक्टर दैट मेक्स अस क्रिएटिव. क्योंकि राइट नाउ सी लाइक आई वर्क एट 9 to 5 एंड देन आई स्विच टू दिस पॉडकास्टिंग रोल, सो इट कीप्स मी क्रिएटिव. आई स्टार्ट थिंकिंग डिफरेंटली. I don't know like how I'm going to interact with the person, but it's just about the conversation that helps me to make sure that I'm getting good at it. So, what do you feel about like the kids and the adults thing?
Of course, kids are more creative than adults. The reason is they haven't been conditioned by the society. When we are growing up, by 5 7, we are free, we can do anything. But once you go to the school, once you start growing up, there are so many things that are bombarded on you. You need to do this, you need to do engineering or become a doctor, you need to play this sport, or be certain way. And our parent society, they condition us not to be creative because it's not their fault. They have seen the struggle of life and they want you to not go through that journey. So they want you to stick to the plan that has worked for everyone, which is get good grades, do engineering, do MBA or whatever degree that's working during that time, and get a stable job. They don't want you to break that cycle. They want you to be stable. But stability and creativity, they sometimes don't come together
Yeah.
because when kids they are growing up, they don't think that they want to be creative. They just do whatever they want to do with their mind. That's why we see videos of kids throwing random things or drawing on the wall, because they are not limited. Everything is their art, everything is their artboard, everything is their canvas. But for an adult, they are so much, they live in limitations. They create these invisible boundaries around them, and that's why they are not creative.
राइट। जस्ट हैव टू मेक श्योर कि यार कभी-कभी लगता है वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग कि नहीं कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, फ़िल्टर नहीं होना चाहिए, वी डोंट हैव टू गेट बर्डन विद द थॉट्स, द प्रोसेस ऑफ ओवरथिंकिंग एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स वी कन्फ्यूज़ कंटेम्प्लेटिंग विद द ओवरथिंकिंग, वी हैव टू थिंक पॉजिटिवली अबाउट इट क्योंकि देयर आर वेज़ टू like deal with how we are thinking about it and in what way it will make us creative. And again you rightly said about the conditioning, but I feel that कि हमारे यहाँ पे इतनी सारी चीज़ें होती है ना कि हम देखना काफ़ी जल्दी शुरू कर देते कि ये ऐसा है वो वैसा है एंड वी स्टार्ट मेकिंग रीजंस आउट ऑफ इट एंड दैट इज हाउ वी कीप ourselves like bounded क्योंकि if we are not going to let ourselves fly then it will always feel कि नहीं यार ये यहाँ से नहीं उड़ सकते हैं. It's all about the limitations. And to talk about this particular thing, like you were living in Bhopal, then Bangalore, and then moving to Jamaica. So from living in a very densely populated country to an island, how has been the experience and its resultant impact on creativity?
It's been a roller coaster ride. Trust me, Rohit. When we came here, I was so shocked because everything was different, and we literally knew nobody. We
Right.
came here because of my husband's job, and we had some of his colleagues, but we did not know anyone, and everything was different. And it was a like rough start, but then once we got settled, we started realizing how beautiful this country is and how it just liberates you, when you're surrounded by nature, when you are not worried about people, because here we are free. And when I was in India, I used to be constantly thinking about, oh my god, if I do this, what would this person say, what would that person say. Now that is on me personally, but now I feel more free. I feel less people judging me. I am not judging myself, and I just feel that this kind of freedom and this kind of exposure gives you, makes you look at things differently. So now I am drawing more. I took a break after my wedding, but now I see that after coming to Jamaica, I've become more open and I have let go of my perfectionism. That's the best thing that's happened because, Jamaican people, they are so real. If you start watching their videos, you would know that they just get up and they just talk. They do real talk. They don't do this shenanigan of putting this light, that light, or creating that studio. No, they want to talk, they'll talk to you. They will not think about, oh, my lighting is not good or my background is not good. Even the biggest artists here, if you watch their YouTube video, they are just so real, so raw, and I love that about it. And I'm trying to incorporate that into my content as well.
So nice to know. Like ये यहाँ पे गाना सूट होगा सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों. नहीं, that is important. Like if we have to be
Yes.
creative, we just don't have to like talk from that influencer point of view. Because today I was interacting with one of my follower. I started something new which is related to the business thing. I'm sharing content about it and in the regional language. So I just want to share my experiences, whatever I understand, whatever I feel good about it, and it just makes you feel liberated. कि हम जब खुद को अपने आप से जैसे है वैसे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, it starts feeling more original, it starts feeling more effective as well. एंड डू यू थिंक लाइक कि क्रिएटिविटी में भी ऐसा ही है, वी रिक्वायर ओरिजिनलिटी एंड इफेक्टिवनेस एज वेल, एंड इज इट पॉसिबल टू अचीव बोथ? क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है आज दुनिया में कि जो कहते हैं ना, ओरिजिनल किसको कहे किसको नहीं कहे, इट्स ऑल अबाउट द परसेप्शंस, द ओपिनियंस, द एडवाइसेस दैट शेप्स थ्रू दोज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज. So we try to put that across. So how do you see into your own life as well?
Uh, s- my favorite author, Austin Kleon, he has a line. He says, everything is a copy of a copy of a copy. Everything is a remix of something, which
Right.
is quite true. But originality is not about getting the original idea, it's about thinking about an existing idea with a different point of view, with your lens, with your experience. So originality, in the beginning I used to run behind originality, and that made me get into this loop कि ओके जब ओरिजिनल आइडिया आएगा तभी काम करूंगी, ये आइडियाज ठीक नहीं है. बट इट्स नॉट अबाउट आइडियाज, इट्स अबाउट एग्जीक्यूशन. यू कैन टेक द सेम a Rembrandt painting and you can create it in a different art form. That is an original idea. There are a lot of people who literally take music from old Hindi music and then they do some DJing, they do something on it. And that is art, right? They created something that didn't exist before, even though the starting point was already laid out for them, but still they added their own personality into it. And that is what creators, artists need to understand. If you run for originality, you're gonna get into that loop. But if you really want to be a prolific creator, artist, writer, then you need to maintain a system where you have access to creating even not so original ideas.
Right. That is important to understand. अब मुझे समझ में आया कि प्रीतम दा इतने फेमस क्यों हो गए.
Oh God. Yeah.
Hey, which is
You won't
important
believe,
to.
coming to this, Jab Koi Baat Bigar Jaye, it's
हाँ.
one of my favorite songs and it is copied. The tune is copied from another Swedish or some other song. And
Hey.
I just got to know about it. And I was like, oh my God, if this person hadn't copied this tune, we would never know Jab Koi Baat Bigar Jaye.
Hey, इट्स गुड, मतलब कि आप अपने तरीके से वो बात कह सकते हो या फिर प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो, बट इट्स एंटायरली नॉट गुड टू जस्ट not take any effort while doing so, which is something that we
Absolutely.
have to understand, because then फिर वो आपको फिर improve करने का मौका नहीं मिलता. You are not that motivated to be creative, because then you're just, the easiest ways कि नहीं इसको ऐसे कर लेंगे ये हो जाएगा, this is how it works, like. And now the audience is quite well understandable कि हाँ उनको जज कर सकते हैं वो सारी चीज़ें. So it's good to know that part as well. And what do you think about this self love and its impact on creativity? क्योंकि यू आर द बिगेस्ट एडवोकेट ऑफ सेल्फ लव एज वेल. आपने बहुत कुछ चीजें करी है, आई वुड से. सो थ्रू योर एक्सपीरियंस, हाउ इट हैज बिन.
I really think that self love is prerequisite to be creative and to publish your work. Because I remember when I started this journey of sharing my work online, I doubted myself so much,
Yeah.
and I did not even want to publish it. Publishing a book, a journal book back in 2017 was a big deal for a 24-year-old. But because I trusted myself, because I believed in myself, I believed in my work. So it's like a codependent relationship. If you don't trust yourself to be creative enough, to be worthy enough to create something that the world needs to see, you will not create. So when you talk about creativity, people don't understand is that more than the tangible result of creativity, it's how your relationship with yourself is. Because if you have a stable relationship with yourself, if you're healthy within yourself, then you would come up with wilder ideas.
Yeah,
Because you don't care about what the world says. You
definitely.
just do things crazy. I mean, you just become so free. And now I was insecure because, I also had a YouTube channel. I published a couple of books, and I tried everything. And look at people who started with me, and they have exploded on the internet, and I'm so happy for them. And initially I used to compare myself, ki, oh Shreya, look at them, they are here, and look at you, you're there. But then I realized that I am not in that journey. Their journey is different, my journey is different, and I'm very happy with where I am, because my objective is not to gain a lot of followers.
Yeah.
Because we see there are people with millions of followers and they're doing shit. I don't care about followers. If I just impact one person's life, I am happy. If I continue to be on this journey of self expression, self exploration, I am the happiest person alive, because not a lot of people get this chance to reach their highest potential. That's why I've tried so many things in life, because I call sometimes myself an experimentalist, because I love experiments. I experiment with my writing, with my content. And if you go through my Instagram, you would see that I've literally explored different types of medias, different types of designs. And by these experiments, finally I have reached a point where I know that I enjoy doing these drawings, these minimal drawings, which makes a lot of impact. And I just love this opportunity to be alive and to create something. So I I think self-love is a biggest factor that's got me here.
This was lovely, Shreya. I could relate to some of the incidents of my life as well, because even I started creating content way back. YouTube channel shuru kiya, then I quit it, then started with the podcasting, and then doing it as we were talking earlier. Like someone just suggested me like do one-to-one video thing and all with respect to the podcast. But then you just don't have to follow what people are saying. If you're comfortable, then let them do it, something in their comfort zone, because it starts building the confidence as well. They get well with that particular practice as well, and let's see how life goes on after that thing. So we just have to keep doing what we love the most, and in a way that we are able to express ourselves. क्योंकि कॉपी करके या फिर फॉलोअर्स बढ़ा के देन यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग फ्रॉम अ बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, it doesn't really help and it doesn't keep you creative. So that is my way of like being creative, and I'm just trying to do that. And again, that particular day I was talking with my friend as well, and I said like I don't get obsessed with things. This is something that keeps me at par ki chalo ho gaya to bhi acha, nahi hua to bhi acha. Because then once we start getting more obsessed with things, we are like desperately looking for something which will happen in a positive way. और जब वो चीज़ें नहीं होती है, then we know the pain. So it's more of that kind of thing, and just keep doing what you love to do. So are there any daily practices that you are following to be
Yeah,
creative?
yes. If I don't follow them, I would collapse.
क्या क्या करती हो तुम?
I think this is what happens when you're an overthinker.
Count me in.
So I start my day with I mean, I wake up. Luckily, I don't put alarm. I'm grateful that way. I don't need to. So
किस
I wake
कौन
up.
से माता रानी की कृपा है?
बस यार है, टच वुड.
चलो टचवुड.
मतलब बट देन मैं अलार्म नहीं लगाती हूँ, बट मेरे हस्बैंड का अलार्म मुझे उठा देता है. So हाँ. But I think for me, working out is very important. This year, I have been very serious. Ki, no, Shreya, you have to work out, because I see the change in me. When I work out, I'm more clear, I'm more confident, and I'm walking swiftly, and I'm active. And if you don't have that body, that mind stability to be creative, तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. या तो तुम्हें तुम्हारा दिमाग में 100 चीज़ें आने लगेंगी कि ओह! मुझे ये भी करना है, ओह! आई हैव टू डू दिस. बट टू बी क्रिएटिव और टू create something or be productive, you need to have a stable body and mind. So exercise is very important. And the second thing I do is I journal. I journal a
यार
lot.
सिखा दो
And
मुझे, सिखा दो। मैं हर
मैं वीडियो
एपिसोड पे
बना रही
बोलता हूँ।
हूँ।
मैं
मैं
हर
वीडियो
एपिसोड
बना रही हूँ।
मैं हर
उसमें
एपिसोड पे
सब
बोलता रहता
बताऊंगी।
हूँ कि नहीं मैं शुरू करूँगा, आज तक किया नहीं है।
बट जर्नलिंग तो मतलब इज जस्ट लाइक पुटिंग एवरीथिंग ऑन ऑन द पेपर। सो अगर तुम्हें नहीं पता कैसे करना है, द बेस्ट थिंग दैट आई एम डूइंग दीज डेज इज मॉर्निंग जर्नल्स। वो सुबह उठ के टेक अ बुक, पेन, just dump everything. You don't have to think about, you don't have to make a list. You don't have to think about creating a blueprint or something. No, just dump everything on the paper and go back to it after 2 days. Then you will realize that most of the things that you were worried about don't matter today. And
या
that's how I store my ideas, Sometimes I am working on an idea that I had in 2010 because I have documented it, which is very fundamental for any creative.
राइट,
So that is another, like, exercising, morning journaling, and sitting in silence.
वो तो
We
बेस्ट है।
consume so much information every day. Oh my god, so much data. Somebody, I think I was watching some episode of Joe Rogan, and I don't remember the guest, but they were talking about, you know the we consume thousand we consume so much data, which is equivalent to reading entire Lord of the Rings series in one day.
राइट,
This thick.
इट्स या
It's
या
crazy. So, if you need to create, you need to stay away from consumption. And for that, I need to sit in silence. I need to
राइट,
be okay not thinking about कि okay, किसने क्या पोस्ट किया और किसके कितने लाइक्स, मतलब ये सब मैं वैसे नहीं सोचती, बट आई just sitting in silence makes me calmer, makes me look at things differently. And luckily I live in Jamaica and it's a beautiful country. I look at the Caribbean Ocean from my home, I look at the mountains in from my balcony, and I just feel so liberated. So sitting in nature again. So I go to the terrace or my balcony, sit alone, look at the clouds, look at the trees, look at the colors. I mean, nature से बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन क्या होगी?
सही में, वेरी
वहां
ट्रू,
जाके आपको पता चलता है कि dude, your problems or you are nothing. You are just a
नथिंग,
speck of dust in the wild, wild universe. And when you realize that, you're like, okay, I'm going to live my best life today. I want to create something that only I can create. And that
राइट,
only happens when you're giving yourself enough time to think about all of this, यार. वरना
राइट,
पूरे टाइम तो यही चलता रहता है, ओ कल उठना है, कल फ्राइडे है, कल मंडे है. मतलब उस चीज से आगे निकल के ही you can become great, or you can achieve your truest potential.
राइट। एंड वो होता है ना कि लाइक जो काफ़ी मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज़ में रह रहे हैं तो काफ़ी कमोशन है, काफ़ी क्लटर्ड है लाइफ, सो दे आर जस्ट फाइंडिंग देयर वेज कि नहीं मैं मुझे शांति कहाँ से मिलेगी, लाइक हाउ आई कैन फाइंड दैट, बट लाइक इट्स जस्ट दी आर और टू काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग कि वो उनको टाइम मिलता है, एंड दीज डेज वी आर जस्ट कंज्यूमिंग बट नॉट अब्जॉर्बिंग, हम उतना टाइम ही नहीं देते हैं, दैट इज़ हाउ सोशल मीडिया इज़, that is what social media is doing to us. So we just have to see like what suits us the best, हम कैसे आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, क्या चीज़ें हमें करनी है, we have to be very clear about it, and that is how we have to move forward. And जो रोगन की तारीफ काफ़ी की थी, मेरी भी थोड़ी कर देना बाद में।
बिल्कुल। बिल्कुल।
So, do you think that there is hidden elitism in how we define real creativity or the artistic merits?
I think capitalism may you start creating an elite group. Okay, these are the
Hmm.
people who have the maximum impact, who have the maximum audience. So you start defining them differently. But I
But
think it's go
या
ahead.
बट देन एवरीवन इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम जीरो, तो फिर उस केस में कैसे?
See, creativity में भी cult groups होते हैं. So there are
ओके,
cult ग्रुप्स जो मतलब उनको पता है कि आई लव दिस आर्टिस्ट, आई एम गोना फॉलो हिम ब्लाइंडली एंड एवरीवन, आई मीन आई डोंट नो तुम कॉर्पोरेट्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बोल रहे हो या ऑडियंस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, सबके दिमाग में वो एक होता है कि नहीं, आई जैसे पीपल हु लिसन टू नवाल रविकांत, दे फील दे आर एलीट बिकॉज दे लिसन टू नवाल, दे लिसन टू all these people. So there is some of it जो हम अपनी लाइफ में यूज करते हैं, राइट?
बैंग ऑन
some people
एग्जांपल है।
जैसे बिल्कुल, some people follow certain people just to look cool. So that is everywhere. You just need to मतलब सी की कौन सी ग्रुप की बात कर रहे हो, क्योंकि इवन फॉर कॉर्पोरेट्स यू नो आई वर्कड विद मार्केटिंग एंड आई सीन हाउ वी इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को कैसे हायर करते हैं, एंड उसमें है कि नहीं इसको नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज ये हमारे ब्रांड के साथ नहीं जा रहा है। तो वो हर जगह आ ही जाता है, स्पेशली इन अ वर्ल्ड वेयर नाउ creativity has really been monetized too much and you know
या दैट इज हाउ इट इज। लोग पता है कि अभी इस स्क्रीन को जूम करके देखेंगे यहाँ पे कौन से बुक्स रखे हैं, कौन से ऑथर है, ये किसको फॉलो कर रहा है।
सही है, मैं अपनी पीछे ब्लैक बुक्स रख दो कि भैया ढूंढते रहो।
नहीं, they'll make a post out of it and it happens. That is how
हाँ,
the media works.
क्यूरियस तो होता
Yeah, that is
है।
how the media works. You need a kind of a topic of discussion. That is how
या
those creative juices start like
फ्लोइंग
going
या
around, और वो सारी चीजें होती है। और ये मैंने देखा है अक्सर ट्विटर या फिर एक्स पे ज्यादा होता है। दैट इज हाउ पीपल कीप डूइंग दैट। एंड व्हाट डू यू फील अबाउट दिस, लाइक कि क्रिएटिविटी एक टैलेंट होता है? डू यू अग्री, डिसअग्री? व्हाट्स योर रीजन
I
अबाउट इट?
disagree. I think creativity is something that we all are born with. It's just a way of thinking, you know. It's not something ki, oh, it's not being a prodigy. It's about really looking at things from a different perspective, questioning things, having that curious mind. मतलब इतना curious mind है कि you're checking out what's behind my face or what's behind, then you need to be curious enough to know that you have certain talents. मतलब the biggest example, Yashraj Mukhate.
हम्म।
He was a musician, right? He Nobody could create a remix out of a jingle of a TV show. That too, बिल्कुल देसी वाला जो aunties देखती है. But that happened, and I mean, it's just thinking differently. He was talented before, but then he packaged his work in a very creative way. So
राइट।
I think we all are creative. It's just finding that talent, and that starts with self awareness and self love. So until and unless you know, मतलब मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि मैं लिख सकती हूँ. Trust me, I did not know I could write until I started writing. That's why I try different things, because I know for a person who has so many interests, I call myself a multi passionate creator artist because I have multiple passions, and not that I don't do these things apart. I'm pretty good at most of the things I do. So
या।
I know that I can't follow a niche. I'm not, I can't be I can't be focusing on one niche because
हम्म।
I am a unique mixture of things. I am my own niche.
एब्सोल्युटली, दैट इज हाउ वी शेप आवर एंटायर पर्सनालिटी। एंड डू यू थिंक लाइक कि कुछ कंडीशंस होते हैं क्रिएटिव बनने के लिए, या?
हाँ,
अच्छा।
होते हैं, बिल्कुल होते हैं। आपको अपना दिमाग, यू हैव टू हैव एन ओपन माइंड। मतलब अगर तुमने सोच के बैठे हो कि क्रिएटिविटी नॉट फॉर मी, तुम नहीं हो सकते, बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू बी अवेयर दैट यू कैन बी क्रिएटिव, यू नीड टू हैव एन ओपन माइंड, you need to have that work ethic, you need to have some patience, because it doesn't happen like this. You can have a
हम्म।
creative idea, okay, but does getting one creative idea makes you a creative? I don't think so.
नो।
You need
या।
to do this multiple times. You need to do your 10,000 hours. Even though a lot of people don't agree with the Malcolm Gladwell's 10,000 hour rule, but I still live by it because you need to spend time on doing certain activity. That's how you reach greatness. If you want to live a normal life, then be it. But if you want to be great, you need to work your ass off.
Absolutely. And again, like नॉर्मल लाइफ हर एक के लिए अलग अलग है. वी जस्ट हैव टू सी लाइक कि व्हाट्स योर वे ऑफ लिविंग द नॉर्मल लाइफ, हाउ यू आर ब्लेंडिंग इट, एंड देन मेकिंग श्योर लाइक किसी दूसरे को कॉपी करके या फिर लाइक trying to live their life, that is not going to make you creative. It's more about trying to finding your fulfillment out of it. And coming on to the last part of this episode, Shreya, if someone is out there into their figuring out phase, wants to be creative, wants to be content with their life, what would be your advice to them? Because this show is all about glitters of life. I feel that if we try to add some glitters, it has to be something which makes them happy, which makes them feel like they are living their best life, they are feeling more alive. So what would be your last thing?
I just want to say that the figuring out process is brutal. And I was literally few months ago, I was in my figuring out phase, and it is not easy. But you know, the best part about this phase is you are here. You figured out that you need to figure out. You know that you're lost. And once you know that you're lost, this is the first step towards being found. So don't be hard on yourself. Be kind towards you, because this is your life and it's not running away. You have time. Don't rush into things. You don't have to be 30 under 30, all that bullshit. No, it is your journey. Take as much time as you need. And once you have understood that, then start exploring, start experimenting, do everything, talk to everyone. And once you do that, you will start seeing sparks, you know. You will start seeing sparks when you read a book, when you watch a movie. Write down what those sparks are. Write down what is that from that song that clicked. List down all the things that clicked and then look at it. Was it a drawing? Was it a song? Was it a poetry? What is it? Then start practicing it. And now social media, you don't even have to go to a publisher or
Yeah.
create your blog. There are so many platforms. Create a fake profile if you are so ashamed. Do random things. Fail fast, fail enough, and then you will figure out.
Right, absolutely. This is fantastic. And I'm really hoping that people will bring this into their own life. Because we all get opportunities. It is not that we are not getting enough opportunities. It's just about the intent that we are living our life with. And it's more about like कि जो भी आ रहा है ना उसको embrace करो. It just gets better with that, because we know like tomorrow is not going to be something different. You have to make it different, क्योंकि वो टाइम, वो फ्लो, वो सारी चीज़ें काफ़ी मोनोटोनस होती है चीज़ें. बट इट्स योर अप्रोच, इट्स योर वे ऑफ थिंकिंग, हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू लिव माई लाइफ, दैट विल मेक something worth living like. And it's all about like in like unleashing your creativity. So let that thing happen. And really glad that we were able to talk on this very topic. It's something that people will resonate more with, क्योंकि वो स्पार्क चाहिए रहता है, वो एक insights चाहिए रहती है ऑडियंस को, and it will always inspire them. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And before I let you go, I'll be attaching Shreya's social media links in the episode description. Do reach out to her, have a word with her. She's an amazing human, and she has been doing a lot and helping the community around. So I wish you all the best, Shreya. I hope that you flourish more in your life and keep sharing your insights with us.
Thank you so much, Rohit. I had so much fun, and I hope it helped people who listen to us till the very end. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye. Take care.